Thank you for joining me today. I'm Dr. Stephen Grinstead, and I want to talk about this exciting workshop coming up May 11th in Portland, Oregon, that is being sponsored by More Than Lupus and bringing me up to conduct a day-long experiential workshop for people suffering with chronic pain. The bad news is our space is filling up. We have a limited amount of space and we're getting close to capacity. So if you want to make sure and reserve your space, register for free at one of the links with this video. It's going to be a dynamic day. You can learn more about what you're going to get and everything. But one of the points I want to talk about today is the importance of learning to manage stress in order to manage chronic pain. For many people with the invisible illnesses like lupus and autoimmune disease, Crohn's disease, etc., stress plays a vital role. If you manage your stress, you'll better manage your life. And I don't think you can manage a chronic pain condition without learning how to manage stress. Because when you bring your stress levels down, it brings down your perception of pain. In other words, you are able to function at a higher level, biologically, psychologically, socially, and spiritually. This is going to be a dynamic day, and I'm going to have a number of helpers, including Ellen, my wife and partner of 31 years. She's going to bring in her expertise with the importance of movement and flexibility for people living with a chronic pain condition. It's going to be an exciting day. You're going to see some of my assistant coaches that are going to help you with the experiential workshops. We're going to have a fun time. By the end of the day, you're going to have a strategic roadmap to achieve your own personal freedom from suffering. So again, space is limited, so please sign up right away. And thank you for joining me today. And I really appreciate More Than Lupus offering me this opportunity to be with you on May 11th in Portland, Oregon. Thank you.